Hello, dear students of class 6. This is Suraj Bhupneja from Gurukul Kurukshetra. Today I will discuss with you disability test for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So divisibility test for 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 10, 22, 34, 126, 1078, etc. Second is divisibility test for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Example in 1881, the sum of the digit is 1 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1. It is equal to 18. So which is divisible by 3. So 1881 is divisible by 3. Next is divisibility test for 4. So a number divisibility test for 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Example 24, 156, and next is suppose 1, 2, 4, and one more example I am giving you 1, 0, 0, 3, 6. So a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digit is divisible by 4. So last two digit, you have to check last two digit. Okay. Next one is divisibility test for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number, in other way you can say that ones digit, if its ones digit is either 0 or 5. Okay. So how? Let's see. Example 10, 5, 25, 15, 100. These are example of divisibility test of 5. Next is divisibility test for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. The number is divisible by 2 and 3. Example, example just like 5922. Okay. According to divisibility test for 2, its unit place is 2. According to divisibility test for 3, so we have to add all digits. So 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is equal to 5 plus 9 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 18. So which is divisible by 3? Which is divisible by 3, and it is divisible by 2 also. So we can say that 5922 is divisible by 6. Clear? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. For 7, a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed remaining by the remaining digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Example 2975. Here last digit is 5, so twice of it, so 5 into 2, that means 10. So then difference 297 is the remaining and 5 is the last digit and twice of the last digit is 10, so the result is 287. Now you can check 287 is divisible by, which is divisible by 7. So 2975 is also divisible by 7. Okay. Next is divisibility for 8. Divisibility for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Okay. Example, just like 10248 is divisibility for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 9. Okay. Example, so 12,357. So we can check the sum of the digit, sum of its digit, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. So which is divisible by 9. Which is divisible by 9. So 12,357 is divisible by 9. Clear? Next is divisibility test for 10. So very easy. Divisibility test for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Okay. Example 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, etc. Okay. Now divisibility test for 11. So divisibility test for 11. So it is very important test. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. So let's see. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay. Now one example is example 27896. Clear? So now I will check the positions of the digit. Okay, from the right side. So here first digit from the right side is 6. So it is 1 is odd places and on second place there is 9. So on second place that is it is called second place. So it is even. It is called first place, that's why odd, and it is called second place, that's why it is even. It is called third place. So third place that is odd place, and on fourth place that is it is called even place, and fifth is odd places. Okay, so I mark here odd even odd from right side. First number is 6, that is digit is even but place is odd. Here second place is even, third number is odd, fourth number is even, and fifth number is odd. So now we will check the sum of the digits at odd places. 1, 3, 5. So odd places here 6 first, second, 8, third, 2. So the sum is 16. Next, and sum of the digits at even places. So even places second and fourth place. So 9 plus 7, that is 16. So then their difference difference is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So which is divisible by 11. Okay. So it was discussion of disability test for 2 to 11. Thank you.